Good morning. So today we are going to go over the ReSound LiNX Quattro. So when you open up the box, you're going to notice you have the charging case. You know, what's cool about this is basically when you open it, both sides are marked to tell you which ear they go into. Blue stands for left, the red dot means right. You can see that the hearing aids are in there and they are blinking. One of the first things to notice is that there's some LED lights that are right there. Basically, they will light up, as you'll see, like that. Basically, those are charging lights for the left and for the right to tell you how charged the hearing aid itself is when it's actually inside the base. You can see that it's not actually plugged in right now because this unit is actually holds a charge to charge your hearing aids up to 3 times, and how you can tell how many charges are left in this device is by these back little LED lights. They'll light up when you plug it in by using this micro USB port. Basically, you just will plug this into the back, and then you'll plug this into the back of this unit and plug it into the wall. So this is kind of cool because you can take this on the road with you. If you're going to go away for a couple days and you don't want to take all the charging stuff, you can just take just the case and just run out the door. Another thing that this has is it has your user manual that's just basically covers the hearing aid itself, the parts and pieces and all of that. Down here you have your connectivity guide, which will go for the Smart 3D app, which will give you tons and tons of features that you can use with this phone. I find that Apple has an inherently built you can basically hook up the hearing aids directly to the iPhones pretty easily. Not to say that you can't do that with any of the Android stuff, but it just seems a little more user-friendly when it comes to that. You don't even have to download the app because this is built into the iPhone. You have a quick connect guide, basically, that will help you also get through the pairing process for your phones. You have a few things that need to happen if you happen to have this style of hearing aids for maintenance. So basically, what you're going to do every single day for your maintenance on these hearing aids is you're going to wipe them down with a dry tissue. Don't use any type of wet product at all, no wet naps or anything like that. You're going to want to make sure that you brush all 3 of your microphones, so you have one little slit on either side of that button, and then you have one on the top. Those need to be brushed. They supply you with a nice little brush here, and then you have a hole on the bottom of this hearing aid right there. That's called an air vent. You're going to want to also scrape that thing out because you don't want to have that all gunked out, and you're also going to want to scrape out this hole here as well. Sorry, my focus is a little off. You want to scrape both of those out every single day because you don't want wax getting deep inside there, because then it will gum up the receiver and then you're doomed. You're going to have to probably send it in to have it looked at if that gets all gunked up. Another thing that you can do is you can actually remove this receiver by basically pulling on this wire and just yanking it out. I really don't recommend for people that are not if you're not trained on how to do this properly. I really don't recommend it because you can damage this wire, and then you'll have to get it repaired at some place. But inside there's a little wax filter that a technician can replace for you when needed. So I hope that this little tutorial kind of helps you out with this. This is pretty new to the market, so it's rather exciting. I mean, this charging case is quite amazing. I mean, able to just take this thing on the go, and makes it very portable. So have a great day.